Ever wondered why chopping an onion turns you into a crying mess? One minute you're a culinary master, the next you're sobbing like you just watched the end of Titanic asterisk. Well, it's not you, and it's not magic, it's pure chemistry. And today, we're going to break it down simple and clear. So picture this, you take a knife to an onion. That first slice doesn't just cut the onion. It breaks open millions of tiny onion cells. Think of these cells as little storage units. Inside, the onion keeps two things separate: special proteins called enzymes, and sulfur compounds it pulled from the soil. Normally, they never meet, but when you cut the onion, you tear down the walls between them, and suddenly, they're all mixed together. And that's when the drama starts. The enzymes and the sulfur compounds have a wild party, triggering a super fast chemical reaction. This reaction creates a brand new, invisible gas called syn-Propanethial-S-oxide. It's a mouthful, I know. This gas is incredibly light and volatile, so as soon as it's made, it floats up from your cutting board, wafting straight towards your face. Now, your eyes are covered in a thin layer of water to keep them moist. When this sneaky onion gas reaches your eyes, it mixes with that water. And what does it create? A tiny amount of sulfuric acid. Yes, you heard that right, acid. Now, don't panic, it's extremely mild. But your eyes are super sensitive. They have little nerve endings that immediately detect this irritation and sound the alarm. In response, your brain tells your tear glands, emergency. We've been breached, flush it out, now. So your tear ducts open the floodgates, releasing a wave of tears to wash away the irritating acid. It's your body's brilliant, built-in defense mechanism, trying to protect your eyes. So those tears are actually a good thing, even if they're a bit inconvenient when you're trying to cook dinner. Tired of the waterworks in your kitchen? I've got you. Here are 3 simple hacks to stop the tears. First, chill your onion in the fridge for about 30 minutes before cutting. Cold temperatures slow down those enzymes, making the chemical reaction much less intense. Second, use a really sharp knife. A sharp blade slices cleanly through the cells instead of crushing them, which means less cell damage and less gas released. And third, turn on a fan or cut the onion near a running vent or an open window. This helps blow the gas away from your face before it can reach your eyes. And here's a cool fun fact. This whole tear-jerking defense wasn't meant for us. Wild onions developed this chemical weapon over millions of years to stop animals and pests from munching on them. So when you cry, you're just experiencing a bit of ancient plant self-defense. It's nature's very own tear gas. So the next time you find yourself tearing up while dicing an onion, just remember it's not personal. It's science at work. You're just winning a tiny battle in a long-running evolutionary war. If you found this cool, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more simple science breakdowns, and ring that bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and stay curious.